Okay, we're going to go over a quick tutorial on how to change the Maya preferences folder. OneDrive is a hot mess and is causing issues across multiple sections of classes. So we're going to change it. And in order to do that, you're going to change what's called an environment variable in Windows. So you need to be careful because with great power comes great responsibility. If you go down here to your search bar, and let me turn on my little mouse thingamajig. You get on here to your search bar, you're going to type in environment until this edit the system environment variables comes up. You click on that, and you have the ability to change the environment variables under the advanced tab. If you're over here, just be aware that this is the actual thing. We're looking for this. I googled it. It says the environment variable is the Maya app dir environment variable. So we are looking for the Maya app dir environment variable, and there isn't one. So you can see that it is not listed here. We're either going to have to create one or edit it or whatever. But if you go and look, you've got new, edit, and delete in each one of these. You've got user variables for my name or system variables. We're actually going to add it here again because I'm looking at path, OS, all these other things. So we're going to say new. Variable name is going to be Maya app dir. Now, before we move forward with this, okay, got to type that in the variable name. The variable value is going to be the directory, and you don't want it to be on OneDrive. And the easiest way to probably handle that is to put it on your C drive, which if you go over to a folder, open up a folder. This is obnoxiously large, but let me get the window tamed here. It's too many monitors, too much stuff going on. You're going to go down, you scroll down here to this PC and OSC. I'm just going to create a folder right here in the C drive called Maya. It'll probably create another folder called Maya in Maya. I don't care. If you are a stickler for that sort of thing, you can just say rename this or whatever. We just need it out of OneDrive. So Maya prefs, Maya blah, blah, blah. And then I'm going to take this C Maya prefs string and I'm going to go back over to this window where it says variable name, variable value. I'm going to paste that and say OK. And it looks a lot like these other ones, as it should. Now, in order for me to test this, I'm going to close Maya. Sure, we'll save it. And I'm going to reopen Maya, and I'm going to see if anything pops up in here. And if it does, it means it worked. And there it is. Boom. We're good. This will no longer be an issue with syncing. So going over the steps again, we needed to go to environment variables. We needed to be in advanced, click on environment variables, add a new one. I put it under system called Maya app dir Maya prefs. And I created a folder called Maya prefs. Again, if you create a new one, you've got to put the Maya app dir all caps. That is absolutely got to be what it is or it will not work. And then Maya prefs right there. And then, of course, you have to have the folder that you're actually taking it to. You can open one of these up and browse, I guess. You can browse file, browse directory or whatever, but I think it's better just to put the string value directly in there. And you're good to go. And now my Maya will be, preference will be there. The problem with this is if you had already created some things like I created a custom window setup over here, these preferences will be gone. The good news is they'll be stable. The bad news is they'll no longer sync with OneDrive to the extent that they won't be backed up. So if your computer gets destroyed or corrupted, they're gone, but preferences are less important than a stable Maya. So that's why we're doing this. Happy hunting, happy modeling, happy animating. Au revoir.